ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Galactic Jay's my first video, I guess. Today, in this first video, I'm debating on which one to put together. I'm thinking I'm gonna go with my very first Lego set I bought, which is this Haunted Mansion from Disneyland. And then our next video will be putting this together. Before we get started though, I'd like to say, if you guys would, can you like and subscribe? We're trying to figure out where this video might go, because we do have another channel, the Emerald Duel. Please like and subscribe to that channel as well. Which, there we do unboxings. I got some boxes on the other side of this table we gotta unbox. It's pretty cool. But I think I might put my Lego videos here on this channel. So, with that being said, let's get started. So, I am fairly new to Legos, so bear with me. I might not be using the correct terminology or what, but yeah. I just know, I guess the characters are called minifigs, I guess, I don't know. There's a place down the street, which I might do a vlog where we go down there. It's a place in Kirkwood, down the street from us, called the Minifig Shop. I'm gonna have to pay them a visit and see what they got. So yeah. there you have it. After how many days? Like 4 days of gruesome finger biting or nail biting suspense. I finished it. Finished the Haunted Mansion, the mini Disney Haunted Mansion. 680 pieces. It was fun. Little butler man looks all dead inside. That's cool. I'm gonna turn it around. You could see in there. They have 2 floors with portraits of some of the famous Haunted Mansion characters. There's chandeliers, there's lanterns, ghost people at the bottom. There's a table with flowers and a cake. That's what that is at the bottom. Check it out. Welcome to the Haunted Mansion. Anyway, let's get to building the next one. I think it might be Winnie the Pooh in the 100 Acre Woods. See you guys.